On behalf of Omega Family Ghana, want to say a big happy birthday. My head, my hero, my mentor. We say happy birthday to you once again. You will eat the fruit of your labor. Eat.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.